Hey guys, welcome back. So recently I visited Miniso and let me show you guys the amazing collection that they have. First of all, a person is always present there to sanitize your hands, and they have put on these stickers for social distancing, which is making 100% safe to visit their store. There are a lot of offers going on there right now, which made my visit worthwhile. Starting with these sunglasses, so the one I'm wearing is really beautiful, and they have a huge collection and a lot of designs over there, and the bags as well. You can see on the screen the beautiful collection that they have for the laptop skins as well, the backpacks, and the handbags. I really like this crocodile or some dinosaur shaped. It was really cute in teal color with all these ears and tail as well on the bag. And look at their wallet and makeup bag collection, guys. The colors are so soothing and amazing. All the pastel colors and this makeup bag which says shake it and shake it. Yeah, this is really cute, and I love this shimmery one as well. Miniso is well known for their bottle and mug collection. This detox bottle and this love zipper really caught my eye this time. Every time I go there, I have to buy one of these. I mean, I can't resist myself, so I end up buying one of these. Also, the coffee mug collection they have is also nice. This one is really good for kids, as it is not made of ceramic, it is a plastic mug, so completely safe, and the hearts in it was something different that I liked about it. And these kitty cutlery was also a unique item over there. These bottle containers, I've bought them earlier as well, but this time they were available in multicolor bottles, which was quite cool. Also, there was flat 70% off on all these lipsticks that they have there. I mean, it was really amazing. The color shades and the quality of the lipsticks was really great, and getting them at flat 70% off was a steal deal. They were like all sorts of lipsticks, matte, glossy, lip balms, lip glosses. Along with the lipsticks, they have a huge range of perfume, you guys. You need to check it out. They have like different fragrances along with the durability. I've been personally using them for quite some time now, and I really love them. And the pocket range starts from rupees 200 only, which is quite cool. And not only perfumes and lipsticks, they have their entire cosmetic range with them, which you can see on the screen right now. Whether it's eyeliner or compact or foundation, they have everything available with them, along with a lot of skincare products. And the nail paint starting from rupees 90 is something which is really great, because they have like huge glitter range as well as shades for the nail paints, and quite affordable. And they have like huge collection for hair brushes as well that you can see right now. Look at this cute beauty blender. I mean, like, Miniso is famous for all the cute stuff that they have. I mean, they have the cutest of all the things in their store. Recently, I saw all these range of mirrors that they have, the makeup mirrors. I personally love this one because it has like a jewelry holder kind of thing along with the mirror, which is quite good, and it has a double side rotating mirror. Also, different shapes and sizes are available. This one has this adjustable spring behind it, which you can use to adjust it. Look at the huge range of products, guys, and the way they have organized their store so nicely makes it easy to find anything that you want over there. And there were a few offers going on these storage boxes as well, so you can go and check them out as well. And in this pandemic, how can one store not have a mask? They have their collection for mask as well as these cute colorful headphones were looking very nice, and they have a range of electronic items also available with them, which is having some charging cables, phone covers, phone handles, earphones, and a lot of other things. They had recently started their jewelry range. Trust me, guys, they are of really good quality. And these fragrance candles were also there in different colors, shapes, sizes, and the best part is that the products that are newly manufactured, they are all made in India, like these hand washes and the candles and these body sprays, all of these are made in India. So if you guys are thinking I'm promoting a Chinese or Japanese brand, but the products are made in India, so it is going to benefit India as well. And by the way, it's not Chinese, it's a Japanese brand. And here we have a flat 50 counter as well. All the products available in this counter were on flat 50% off. And I got confused between these two neck pieces, so comment in the comment box below which one would have I bought in your opinion. And they have some cool stationery also available with them, and in them, like, they have pens, colors, and cute notepads, which I'm holding right now, the donut shape notepad, and they had a lot more shapes in that. Coming on to the home utility section or home furnishing section, they have these kind of doormats, hangers, and some soap holders, toothbrush holders, things like that available with them, which you can buy from there. Also, they have a huge range of neck pillow, guys, and believe me, I'm not seen much comfortable neck pillows anywhere else that I've visited. Miniso has the best neck pillows ever, and quite a huge range in those neck pillows as well. And the best of all are these soft toys. I mean, they are really softest of all I have seen till date. And the best part is, the soft toy doesn't only mean a teddy bear. They have like all type of animals available. Look at those piggies, dolphins, the pandas. They have sloths also available. I mean, how cute is that? And they have all these funky lunch bags also available with them. I've always been fond of these kitchen towels that they have, the hand towels. They are really very cute, and the colors with these bunny heads or bear heads or these bows on them, I really like them. What did you think? That's all? No, that's not all. This is just the part 1 for the Miniso collection. They have an entire range for Marvel fans, superhero fans, and the offers are insane, guys. Stay tuned for my second video, which I'll be posting very soon, having the entire superhero collection from Miniso in it. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, so give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get the daily updates. Also follow me on my Instagram to get daily updates on my lifestyle and fashion content and the makeup content. I will see you soon. Take care. Ta-da!